Hi, this is John Burek with PC Mag. I'm here with CyberPower in their suite at CES 2025. So ProStreamer 2.0 is the name of a bundle that CyberPower will be selling in the near future. What does it consist of? It's a desktop PC with a Thunderbolt-enabled motherboard inside, and the system comes with a Thunderbolt cable in the box. Now, why is that extraordinary? Thunderbolt Share. Thunderbolt Share is a technology that Intel has developed, which enables streaming from a PC to another PC, and was kind of pitched as a productivity tool, but actually could be good for gaming. Thunderbolt Share Gaming is the concept here. So the idea being, you could be playing a game on this desktop PC using the Thunderbolt cable. You are streaming it to another PC and able to record, capture, or live stream from that PC. And as you can see here, this is a pretty low latency connection over Thunderbolt Share. If you look at OBS here on the left, it's practically indistinguishable. So if you opt for one of these ProStreamer 2.0 bundles, you're going to get a PC with a Thunderbolt Share license and a Thunderbolt cable. At the time of purchase, you could also opt for a second PC, say a laptop like this from CyberPower, or you could bring your own laptop to the equation. The only thing it has to have is a Thunderbolt 4 or Thunderbolt 5 port. So we're looking forward to the ProShare 2.0 package from CyberPower, an interesting use of Thunderbolt technology, and we should be seeing it later this year.